Seriously? I really gotta do this? I've only done this a handful of times in my YouTube career. I've been on YouTube for 14 years. I've been uploading videos for 12. And I've really only done this like a handful of times. Like I don't even know if it's a full handful. It might be like half a handful. I haven't done this many times, okay? And that is upload 2 videos in one day. So I got an email last Sunday from someone named Brian. I'm actually gonna link his YouTube channel down below. Cause you know, I'm not the type to be like, well, I got an email, you know, if I like call someone out, I like to call them out by name. I'm not like, you know, like I call you out by name. Okay, so I get an email from Brian. And basically, you know, it's kind of a long email. He goes, hey Vanessa, I stumbled across your Poshmark videos on YouTube. As a reseller myself, I love watching haul videos and you do it in a light way that's entertaining to watch. Then he's like, you know, I'll cut to the chase because I'm sure you're busy. He said he's looking for people that he respects that actually sell via Poshmark, eBay, Mercari, or Amazon because he has an online arbitrage course that he wants me to try out for free. So basically he wants me to promote his course for him. And if you've watched my videos in the past, you guys know how I feel about people that try to sell something that you can get for free. You know, like all these like online coaches, like how to do this, how to make sales, how to do this. It's great that, you know, they have a hustle and they're trying to make money and stuff, but it's like, on the other hand, you know, you're fooling people because like you can Google this shit for free. Okay, so anyway, he wanted me to check out his course. I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna check out his course. I'm gonna see what it's like. So basically his course is $795. He was saying, you know, if I like the course, if I can mention it to you guys and then I will get a commission if you guys sign up. So I'm like, okay, another revenue stream. Sure, let's check it out. So I looked at his course and it was pretty detailed. Like there was a shit ton of videos, like like over 100 videos, I think. So you know, there was like different sections on like eBay and Amazon. I of course went straight to the Poshmark section because that's where I sell, on Poshmark. So yeah, I was watching the videos and I think it was like the first video I watched in the Poshmark section. He talked about using automation software to share your closet. And I'm like, first of all, you can't use bots on Poshmark. It's against their terms of service. Actually, let me go to their website and read to you what they said. It says, right on the Poshmark website, do not use programs or other forms of automation to participate on Poshmark. This includes, but is not limited to, liking, sharing, following, and unfollowing. Should we find your account to be in violation of any of the above, we may send you an email or take permanent or temporary action on your account privileges. So, I know a couple people that have had their accounts deleted because they have been using bots to share their items. Obviously, the most time-consuming thing on Poshmark is sharing your closet. It takes a lot of time. You know, yes, it would be nice to have an automation service that did that for you. There are many that exist. People do that, but don't, because it can put your account in jeopardy. And people will be like, oh, well, Poshmark will never find out. Well, what if they do? What if they do, though? They can delete your account. You're really willing to risk that? And this guy, hold on, I gotta go back to his video and see exactly what he said about me, because I'm just like, dude. Backing up, after I saw that he was like very heavily promoting using a bot, he's like, oh, it's only $9.99 a month and you can keep signing up. Like, this is another thing. He's like, you can do a 7-day free trial and then you can just keep signing up so you don't have to pay. So this guy clearly likes to take the easy way out of things. You know, he's using an automation bot to share his Poshmark closet, which is cheating the system. He keeps signing up for this website for the 7-day trial, which is also cheating the system. Doesn't sound like this guy likes to work for what he wants. Anyway, let's go to his video.
It's much easier to share on your laptop, and B, I definitely don't or suggest you, or you know, I'm sure nobody really wants to be on Poshmark sharing all day long, right? So I did that in the beginning too. I think everybody does until they realize that there is automation software, okay? So there are certain people out there that, you know, I just actually reached out to one to potentially be an affiliate for my course, shameless plug, Online Arbitrage Pro, first link in the description, and they didn't like the fact that I recommended automation software. There's two basically schools of thought out there with the automation software, and that's gonna tie into answering your question here in a second. First one is the people that don't do it. and think that, you know, obviously because they don't have that advantage, that everybody else that does it, you know, should be shunned or, you know, are doing something horribly wrong, right? And then the other...
First of all, yeah, you should be shunned because you're cheating the fucking system. You're taking the easy way out. You're doing something that is against Poshmark's rules. So yeah, you should be shunned. Poshmark does not allow bots. Bottom fucking line. Like, it's not a matter of opinion. Like, oh, well, you know, yeah. There's no denying that using a bot saves time, but there's also no denying that Poshmark does not allow it. So why the fuck would you promote that? Why? Why would you promote that and risk losing your account? Let's continue to hear what he says.
Other people are the other boat, people like me that realize, hey, there's this advantage out there. Why would you not use it? So
why would you not use it? Because it's against Poshmark rules. That's why you wouldn't use it. I think it's funny how he makes me out to be, without mentioning my name, but makes me out to be like, oh, well, this person doesn't have it as an advantage, so doesn't think anyone else should. That's not the case at all. It's the fact that you're not supposed to fucking use a bot, so just follow the rules. Like, it's that simple. It's not a matter of me being like jealous over someone that's using it. Like, I think you're a fucking idiot if you use a bot, honestly, because you're risking having your closet taken away. And some people don't know that. Some people use bots not knowing that you can't use bots. And I feel bad for those people. And I feel like there are gonna be some people that watch this guy's videos and they're like, oh my God, I can use a bot. That's so great. It's gonna save so much time. And they could potentially be putting their closet in danger. Like, it's a shame because this guy is knowledgeable, but the fact that he's promoting bots is just, it's not right at all. Dude, if you're watching this, Bry guy, if you're watching this, like, just stop promoting bots. If you have a successful closet on Poshmark and you're using a bot, how can you be proud of that? How can you be proud that the majority of the hard work on Poshmark is being done by a fucking computer? Like, you're not doing that. So how can you take pride in your business? You know, I don't understand. You take pride in the fact that you're spending $10 every month and you're cheating the system. Like, dude, that's not cool. It's not cool. And hopefully Poshmark doesn't find your closet, because that would suck, right? Like I said, it's a shame because this guy does seem knowledgeable about like reselling in general. And I don't know like other platforms if you can use bots. I have no idea if you can use them on eBay, Mercari, but I know 100% you can on Poshmark. If you're watching this video and you're using a bot in your closet and you're like, well, Poshmark hasn't done anything. I still have my closet. I've been using a bot for forever. It's only a matter of time before they find out. So just stop. Just share your own closet. Just do the work. Do the fucking work yourself. Yes, it's time consuming, but it's part of the process. Just do the work. Don't be lazy. Do the work. I'm gonna read you guys my reply to his email. I wasn't a bitch or anything at all. I said, hey, thanks so much for reaching out. I just watched some of your videos in the course, starting with the Poshmark ones because they're more relevant to me. I was super disappointed to see that you're promoting using bots on Poshmark. That's 100% against their terms of service, and if you get caught, they will delete your account. So I'm sorry I can't promote your course with info like that in it. Sad face. And he replied back to me, no worries, appreciate you taking the time to check it out. Good luck with your closet. First of all, I don't need your good luck. I'm doing just fine. But then he goes and makes that video and like, hopefully he watches this video and realizes like, hey, maybe I should stop doing this. Like, have half a brain. Just stop doing shit you're not supposed to do. Like, actually, no, continue to do it. Continue to do it. And hopefully Poshmark finds your closet and you get your closet taken away, because that's what you deserve, because you're not following the rules. People like that don't deserve to be on the Poshmark platform, period. They really don't. It's 4:15 in the afternoon. I'm supposed to be relaxing. I was just sitting, eating my late ass lunch, hashtag mom life. You know, I was sitting there eating my salad and I saw his video pop up. Like, I'm subscribed to this guy on YouTube. I saw his video pop up. I'm like, oh, watch it. Poshmark tips. And then he goes and talks about me in the video. I'm like, dude. All right, well, I just want to make this video and just send out a little PSA. Don't use bots on Poshmark. Yes, it's time consuming. Yes. You know what? If it's that time consuming, you can hire a virtual assistant, okay? Maybe I should have put this in the beginning of the video. A bot is like a computer automated system, shares your stuff, you know, likes listings, follows people. It's not an actual person. Using a bot, you can't do that. You can, however, have a virtual assistant, a real person, log into your account and do all that stuff for you. Poshmark says you can have a real person do that. You just can't have a computer automated system do that. And they have ways to differentiate between a person and a bot. You know, they have the little picture things. You have to say like, oh, find all the crosswalks or the bridges and the captures, whatever they're called. So they have a way of telling what's a computer and what's a person. So guys, just don't use bots. Just don't do it. Just do the work yourself. And if the sharing is too much for you, sell on a different platform maybe, because that is part of Poshmark. Poshmark is a social app. You need to be active on there. If you don't share your listings, you're not gonna make sales. If that's too much for you, which is fine, it's fine if it's too much for you, go to another platform. Okay, I'm done. I just had to get on here and just, isn't that something you learn in kindergarten? Like, you know, if there's rules, you should follow them, right? That's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Again, this is weird. This is weird. I'm uploading 2 videos in one day, but I had to get it up because this is like hot off the stove. Is this tea? Is this tea? This might be considered tea, right? Sipping the tea, spilling the tea. Spilling the tea. Sipping the tea? Whatever, okay? Tea. This is some tea. I'm too old for this shit. I'm gonna go now. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't be a douchebag. Don't use the bot on Poshmark. Don't do it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.